Class 10th. Today, Chapter 8 Mahatma Gandhi and the National Movement. Today, our topic is Non Cooperation Movement. First, some introduction. Non Cooperation Movement was started by Gandhiji in 1920 when he observed that the Indian trade facing economic problems. During First World War, Britishers promised to Indians to grant the right of self-determination, which means forms its own government. Indians helped them with the men and money both. But the Britishers did not keep their promise after the war. Now Indians decided not to cooperate with the Britishers. So this movement was started. Now the objectives of the topic: methods and program of the movement, activities during the non-cooperation movement, repression by the government, suspension or withdrawal of the movement. Before starting the topic, we must know the following terms. Number 1, roused. It means to make somebody wake up. Number 2, enthusiasm. It means a strong feeling of excitement. Number 3, boycotted. It means refuse to take. Number 4, crossroads. It means a place where two or more roads cross each other. Number 5, Parda. It is a system, or we can say the practice in certain Muslim and Hindu societies of screening women and men or strangers. Next word, Swadeshi. It means goods which are made in India. Page number 148. Methods and program of the movement. Gandhiji, Ali brothers and other leaders toured the country. Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. They roused the people's enthusiasm and laid stress on Hindu-Muslim unity. They made efforts to popularize the program of non-cooperation movement. All the main leaders of the country made full efforts to popularize the program of non-cooperation movement. Mahatma Gandhi ji launched the movement in 1920 by returning all the titles and honors bestowed by the government, which was given by the British government. The title was Kesar-e-Hind. Many educated Indians returned degrees, titles, awards and honors. People boycotted all the government functions. Thousands of Indians left government jobs. The lawyers gave up their legal practice. Nobody wants to use the foreign things. Students left their schools and colleges. Teachers also resigned in large numbers. National colleges like the Jamia Millia Islamia and the Kashi Bihar and Gujarat Vidyapeeths were the schools, were set up. The people boycotted the elections to the assemblies and the provincial councils. Provincial councils mean directed elected representatives. They resigned from the nominated seats from which seats they were nominated in local bodies. The people began to use Swadeshi and boycotted foreign goods. Now they use only Swadeshi goods, the things which made in India only, and they boycotted the foreign goods, which were burnt at the crossroads. Women gave up Parda to join the struggle. Now, women also played very important role in the freedom struggle. They offered their jewelry for the Tilak Fund and gladly went to jail. They offered all their jewelry, money in the Tilak Fund, which Gandhiji has announced that fund to finance the movement. Many laborers also joined the movement and observed strikes. The people of the rural areas refused to pay taxes. People also refused to obey government orders. Khadi became a symbol of freedom. Now Khadi became very popularizing that in those days, Takli and Charkha appeared in every house by July 1921. Takli was that the cloth or wool woven by hand only. The movement had thoroughly roused the country. A wave of unparalleled enthusiasm swept the whole country. In the words of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, never before in the history of India, since its connection with Britain, had popular indignation and popular enthusiasm been greater. Never before during this period had the country seen the loving and ungrudging services of so many of her sons. Never before had the faith of the people in themselves and country's ability to solve in even difficulties seemed bright. In the words of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, also told about that this movement was very great movement. Never before in the history this type of anger, this type of popularity never seen in this history. The movement included the two kinds of program, negative and positive. Both the aspects of the program. First, the negative aspect, boycott of foreign government school, colleges and courts, boycott of foreign goods, boycott of elections to be held for the consuls as suggested by the reform of 1919, resignation from nominated seats in the local bodies. Even the main leaders resigned themselves from their nominated seats. Surrender of titles and honorary offices, as we have discussed that Mahatma Gandhi also surrendered their title. Refusal to attend government functions. Now the positive programs were popularization of Swadeshi and Khadi. Now the Swadeshi goods and Khadi goods, these were popularized in those days, and by reviving hand spinning and hand weaving. Hindu-Muslim unity, removal of untouchability was fully abolished, prohibition of intoxicating drinks, alcohol, drugs, etc. All these things prohibited, establishment of national schools and colleges, emancipation and upliftment of women. Rights were given to the women and many programs were started for the upliftment of the women. Now our next topic is activities during the non-cooperation movement. The movement evoked a hearty response throughout the country. Evoked means a memory or feeling. Lawyers such as Deshbandhu, Chitranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and many others gave up their legal practice. These were the main lawyers were at that time. They all decided to give up their legal practice. Students left schools and colleges. Congress boycotted elections to the legislature. Even Congress also boycotted the elections at that time. Charkhas were manufactured for the people to spin cloth. Charkha was mainly used at that time to spin the cloth. Even Gandhiji himself started spinning. The Jamia Millia Islamia was established as a national university. The Bihar Vidyapeeth, Kashi Vidyapeeth and Gujarat Vidyapeeth were other national universities that were established. That was a very good point in that time, that many national university, many national schools were established that time. Many distinguished citizens of India renounced their titles and awards. Many popular citizens, many Indians renounced their titles and awards. They have surrendered their titles and awards. Gandhiji returned his medal that were awarded for his work in South Africa. As we know, Gandhiji was given a title Kesar-e-Hind. He also returned that his medals, titles, etc. to the Britishers. People contributed generously to Tilak Swaraj Fund to finance the movement. Even we knew that the women also played important role. Even they offered their jewelry, money, all the things to finance the movement to the Tilak Swaraj Fund. Foreign clothes were burnt. All the foreign clothes, foreign things were burnt, and the shops selling foreign goods were picketed. Picketed means protest or strike. People boycotted the visit of the Prince of Wales in 1921. Even people also boycotted the visit of Prince of Wales in 1921. Prince of Wales visit India in 1921, but the Indians boycotted and even organized the hartal or strike, we can say. People refused to pay taxes. A wave of unparalleled enthusiasm swept the whole country. Now the next topic is repression by the government. Repression means something by force. In Malabar, the Moplas rebelled against the authorities, but soon it assumed a communal color and they killed many Hindus. In Malabar, the Moplas opposed the government, but soon this incident changed into a riots and many Hindus were killed in this. This unfortunate incident gave a severe blow to the Hindu-Muslim unity. Now, the Prince of Wales visited India in 1921. He landed at Mumbai, Bombay on November 17, 1921. The people boycotted his visit, as we have already discussed in the previous point, that people boycotted his visit and observed a hartal. Hartal means strike. A meeting was arranged at the beach near the sea. The mob turned unruly and attacked the Europeans. Mob means large crowd of people. Attacked, turned unruly means the mob turned unruly and attacked the Europeans. The large crowd of people turned undisciplined and they were attacked by the Europeans. The police opened fire and killed 53%, and due to this the police attacked them and killed 53 persons. The government got alarmed and adopted the policy of repression. Processions and public meetings were banned. Now, due to that incident, the police banned the processions, meetings, and public meetings, and anything when the people come together. All the things were banned. The Khilafat and the Congress volunteer organizations were declared unlawful. All the Congress volunteer organizations and Khilafat movement, that all are declared unlawful. About 30,000 people were put behind the bars. All important leaders except Gandhiji were arrested. About 30,000 people were sent to the jail, and the jail became a holy place of pilgrimage for the nationalists. Now our next topic is suspension or withdrawal of the movement. About 3,000 peasants organized a procession at Chori Chora, a village in the Gorakhpur district of UP. At that time, 3,000 farmers organized a meeting at Chori Chora village in Gorakhpur district UP. The police opened fire on the procession. The angry crowd attacked and burned the police station, killing 22 policemen. And the police, we know that the meetings were banned at that time, the police attacked in this meeting, and the angry people also attacked the police station. They burned the police station and killed 22 policemen were killed. This incident, which took place on February 4, 1922, shocked Gandhiji so much that he at once suspended the movement. Gandhiji could hardly tolerate that his followers should indulge in violence. When Gandhiji heard about this incident, he immediately withdraw this movement because he could not tolerate that this type of violence. He believes in violence. The nationalist leaders resented Gandhiji's decision, but none could dare criticize him openly. It is true that the movement was at its zenith and almost all the leaders were stunned by its withdrawal at such a movement. The nationalist leaders, they were not happy about this Gandhiji decision, but nobody dared to criticize him, and it is truly said that this movement was at its highest point, and the leaders were surprised why Gandhiji have withdrawn this movement. For instance, Subhash Chandra Bose remarked on this occasion to sound the order of retreat just when public enthusiasm was reaching the boiling point was nothing short of a national calamity, but everybody kept silent view of the great personal influence of Gandhiji. The British government accused Gandhiji for this tragedy and sentenced him to 6 years imprisonment on March 10, 1922. As Subhash Chandra Bose also told about, when the movement is at the highest point, so then why the Gandhiji withdraw this movement? But everybody was kept silent, and the British government sent Gandhiji to jail for this tragedy and sentenced him to 6 years of imprisonment on March 10, 1922. Thank you so much.